Good morning, Namaste, Pranam to all brothers and sisters of India. I am Dr. Divaran Cochin. My subject is Medical Sciences and Astrology. Today I am going to speak about the diseases from impurity of blood and poison. Rahu is the Karaka of poison. And blood is the Karaka of Cancer Rashi, Vrishava Rashi, and Meen Rashi. Rahu with Mercury in the Lagna, the person may get skin disease. Karaka, Vrichiga, and Meena Rashis rules the blood. Fourth, eighth, and 12th houses also rules the same. Mars is the Karaka of blood. Moon is Karaka for blood diseases. Kanya Rashi, Rahu and Ketu work for all poison things. When the Rashis and the planets ruling blood be afflicted and make any relation with the Kanya Rashi or Rahu or Ketu, there are like lines of diseases from poisoning of blood. A malefic and afflicted moon plays in the Dusthanas of or aspects by Lord of the Dusthanas or conjunct with the Lord of the Dusthanas also gives rise to similar diseases. 3, 6, 8, 12 are the Dusthanas of the horoscope. Sixth will be diseases. Aradirogatyamaradinado mridishuro murti bhayangarodi. Sixth house and sixth ruler are responsible for all diseases. And eighth house, eighth lord is complicated disease. The Rahu is the Karaka of poison. Afflicted along with the Kanya Rashi, Rahu or Ketu when malefics. Rahu or Ketu affected them. They give rise to diseases and troubles from poison. Second house. Second and seventh are the Maraka houses of a horoscope. Second house rules the mouth. Vrishava Rashi also rules the same. When second house, Lord of the second house or Taurus and be afflicted along with the houses and planets ruling poisons, or when these houses be in any way related with the houses and the planets ruling poison, they result into troubles from poison taken by mouth. Malefic Mars aspects by malefics. Saturn, Rahu and Mars in one house. Rahu and strong malefics in the fifth house. Afflicted Karaka planet in the Mesha or Simha Navamsaka. Afflicted moon in Kanya Rashi between malefics. The sixth and the Rahu in Lagna. Sixth Lord and Ketu in Lagna. If born in വൃശ്ചിക ഘടിക, while a malefic is in 8th house. The lord of the Lagna and the second house in Dusthanas with Saturn. If Navamshaka lord of the 10th house from Lagna be in Dusthana with Saturn, the person suffered from diseases owing to impurity of blood. The disease were eruptions and skin diseases. The reason for the same is the malefic 8th lord Mars is in 6th house, aspected by the malefic Rahu. Rahu is the poison. Some persons are taking the poison because of the second house with the Rahu and with the lord of the 8th. The person will die with eating poison. All the watery signs and 4th, 8th and 12th houses ruling blood are afflicted. Moon is afflicted by conjunction or Ketu and it is in 8th house. Mars is in the 6th house, afflicted by Rahu. Lagna, which is also Kanya Rashi, is afflicted by conjunction or 6th lord Saturn and is aspected by 8th lord Mars from the 6th house. Thus, we find the factors ruling the diseases from poison of blood are suffered in this horoscope. Prior to this, be suffered from destiny, which is gested from the faction of Kanya Rashi. Those who are killed the snakes or disturbing the sarpa, they are forced to drink poison and die. So we have to worship Lord Naga Devata. So in our life we have to worship the Pidur Devata, Naga Devata, Sarpa Devata. Those Naga Devata and Sarpa Devata bless us. We are protected from poison. Thank you very much. I will continue tomorrow with other subjects.